Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back for some lock maintenance. I'm about to wash my hair. It's hot. I need to wash my hair and my scalp especially. And I'm gonna put my hair in some braids. So if you're seeing this video, you should have already seen my Virginia Beach vlog. If you haven't, I'll have it linked above. But I'm gonna start off with brushing my locks to get rid of some lint. Now, I just have not been tying my hair up to go to sleep. That's just hasn't been my thing for a while. I just prefer to sleep on satin pillowcases, which are available in my shop, by the way. I have them in pink, white, black, a silvery gray color, and like a champagne-y cream color. So those are the colors that I have for purchase if you're interested. But I prefer not to tie my hair up and just sleep on the satin pillowcases, and that keeps my hair smooth along my hairline and around the crown of my head and such areas. But it doesn't necessarily do much for the length of my hair if I'm sleeping with my hair down. I know a lot of you are wondering, like, Keisha, how do you sleep with your hair down? I don't move a lot in my sleep, so I'm okay. If you move a lot in your sleep, you probably couldn't sleep with your hair down if you had your hair as long as mine. But I'm perfectly fine with sleeping with my hair down. The only thing is, I don't sleep on satin sheets or use a satin blanket. So sometimes my blanket may cause a little bit of lint on my hair. And I noticed that I definitely had some lint on my hair, so I want to make sure I brush it off before I wash my hair. Because when you wash your hair with lint present on your hair surface, you may be embedding that lint into your locks, and you don't want that. So I'm gonna brush out as much lint as I can, and then I'm gonna shampoo. And I want to show you guys the shampoo I'll be using. This is the I Love Mecca shampoo and beard wash, Peppermint and Tea Tree. Now, I've been using mostly their other one in lavender, and I really like it, but I especially like this one because of the tingle on the scalp. Now, I wanted to make a video for this for a while, but I wanted to wait to make sure that my review is authentic, because I don't want anybody saying, Keisha, your friend makes that shampoo, you're biased. Yes, my friend does make that shampoo. Shout outs to Malcolm, the co-founder of Loc Nation. That's his line of products. He's actually a chemist, so he did work with the formulation of the shampoos and his other products as well. So definitely check out I Love Mecca. He doesn't know I'm making this video, so I don't have a coupon code for you or anything like that. But yeah, let me show you the lavender one. It was actually in the shower. That's how you know I use it. See, it's about a quarter, a little over a quarter done. I love lavender. Lavender just smells so good and calming, and it smells so pretty. I like floral scents, so I really like that one. If you're like me, your hair and scalp may get pretty hot in the summertime, so your scalp may really appreciate that really fresh feeling. So that's a reason why I'm using the Peppermint Tea Tree scent. I almost said flavor, child. Scent. So that your scalp feels that cooling sensation. If you want to see how my braids come out, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Keisha Charmaine and on TikTok at the Keisha Charmaine. So before I go ahead and start to shampoo, I'm going to just look and make sure that I got out as much lint as I could. I definitely reduced a lot of lint just now by brushing it. So remember, you guys, when you do brush the lint out of your locks, remember to clean the brush afterwards, so you're not redepositing lint back into your hair, and so that your brush is still effective. Because the more lint, the more dirty your brush is, the less effective this whole process is. So yeah, make sure you clean your brushes periodically. So now it's time for my shampoo. But first, I make sure that I fully saturate my hair with water before I add any shampoo. Now, the reason being is because when my hair, or when our hair is fully saturated, we don't need to use so much shampoo. Therefore, our shampoo, it can distribute more evenly throughout our hair. It's more effective, and we are reducing the potential of product buildup. So make sure you're fully saturating your hair as much as you can before you start applying shampoo. I focus on my scalp first, so I focus on my scalp and then I get to my hair. I do 2 rounds of shampoo, and then when it's time to rinse my hair out, I make sure to squeeze the water out and not wring the water. My hair is old, so I have to be extra delicate. I don't want my hair breaking unnecessarily, so I squeeze the water out and I don't wring it. Now, when it comes down to my summer styles, my go-tos are, big chunky styles like braids or twists, because it takes inches off my hair. I still need to trim my hair. It hasn't happened yet because I want to do a photo shoot with my hair long before I trim it. I want to trim it to above my butt, but that's another conversation, right? So I put my hair in braids right after I washed it, and then a week later I took the braids out because I want the braid out. Normally I will keep the braids in for much longer than that. My last set of braids, I kept them in for a month. Yeah. So I really wanted to braid out because I'm going away for a weekend vacation with my girls. Stay tuned for that vlog. But yeah, so I'm undoing my braids here in Central Park, sitting outside this fountain at the conservatory garden. And it took me quite a while. So I was, taking in the views of the park. There was a wedding that happened. That was really cute. And shout outs to the lady that I met. Actually, she said she came down from upstate New York for the wedding, and she was happy to meet me because I've been an inspiration for her and an encouragement for her along her loc journey for her husband, and her daughters. So shout outs to you. Thanks for saying hi and letting me know that I encouraged you through your journey. I appreciate it. This is why I do what I do. So I took out my braids. Actually, my sister helped me take out my braids because it just became really time consuming and we were sitting in the park forever. So when it's all said and done, here are the results of my beautiful braid out. Braids are such a versatile style. They're a style on their own, but then you can also style the style itself. You can put them in bantu knots. You can put them in buns and etc., etc. But obviously it's a whole nother style when you undo the braids and you have these beautiful crinkles, curls. Who doesn't love a braid out? Who doesn't? I know I do. Leave me a comment below. Make sure you check out KeishaCharmaine.com for all of your loc needs, your tools like the brush and the satin pillowcases mentioned in this video. Help me get to 100,000 subscribers and share this video. Click that arrow thingy that says share. Click that. Post that on your page. Send it to your friends. Post it on social. I appreciate you. I love you. If you made it to the end of the video, use the code 100 for 20% off your next order of $100 or more at KeishaCharmaine.com. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locs.